Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to change your location using NordVPN. Whether you're trying to access content from another country or simply want to improve your online privacy, switching your virtual location can be really useful. And if you're thinking about getting NordVPN, the link below gives you 74% off plus 3 extra months. To get started, make sure the NordVPN app is installed on your PC. Open the app and sign in with your account details. Once you're logged in, you'll be taken to the main dashboard. This is where you control everything. From here, you have two easy ways to change your location. The first option is the interactive map. You can zoom in or out and click on any location pin to switch your virtual location. It's very visual and simple to use. The second option is the country list. If you already know where you want to connect, just scroll through the list or type the country name into the search bar. This is especially convenient if you're looking for a specific location, like Japan or the United States. After you select a country, NordVPN will automatically connect you to the fastest available server in that region. Once you see the connected status, your IP address has changed, and you're now browsing from that location virtually. If you want to switch locations again, just disconnect and choose another country. The whole process only takes a few seconds, and that's all there is to it. With NordVPN, you can browse securely and access content from around the world with just a few clicks. Try out different locations and see what works best for you.